Hi there, my name is Daan Assen and I'm founder and Chief Instruction Design of SwipeGuide. In this series of videos we will tell you more about how you can create effective instructions with SwipeGuide. We'll cover some tools and practices that can help you in the process of using our software. We will cover the instruction journey, minimalist instruction design, and the outside-in approach for creating instructions. Most of the current instructions look something like this. They're difficult to understand and often you don't have them at hand when you need them, especially when they're on paper. For companies, they're really hard to create, maintain, track and share. And bad instruction leads to issues. 40% of the after-sales contact is due to bad or missing instructions. And also in the workplace, over 70% of the mistakes that are made are due to bad or missing instruction. The SwipeGuide solution helps you prevent this. SwipeGuide offers a cloud platform that enables you to easily create visual step-by-step guides that fit any device. To help you create effective instructions with the SwipeGuide platform, we have some tools for you. First tool is the instruction journey. Instruction journey thinking helps you to get instructions to your users or workers at the moment of their instruction need. And these needs, they can vary. You have needs like in the instruction journey canvas explained before people start using a product or a machine, when they use it, the first time use, advanced use, and when they need to do maintenance or troubleshooting operations. The instruction journey canvas helps you to align your instructions with these different moments of need of your users. Another tool that can help you create effective instructions in SwipeGuide is Minimalist Instruction Design. There are some basic principles that help you create good instructions. The first one is focus on realistic, meaningful tasks. Don't describe your product, don't describe machinery, but focus on the things that people need to do with them and take that as the starting point for your instructions. The second one is choose an action-oriented approach. People want to do stuff with your products and machines, so try to use the actions as a starting point for your instructions. The third one is support for problem detection and resolution. If you know that there are critical points in a task flow that people need support with, provide that support. Make them recognize an error and provide a solution on how to prevent it. The last one is provide a clear link between the instruction and the object. And this is where the visuals come in. So if you provide in SwipeGuide the instructional text on the one side, you have the ability to provide clear visuals explaining the action in the second one. And the last tool we have is the outside-in approach. For creating effective instructions, you really want to step into the shoes of your users. Most manuals start with describing a product or a machine, and that's not the way effective instructions are built. You really want to focus on the things that users want to do and give them the information that guides them through the tasks they need to perform. In SwipeGuide, we have templates that make you do that. I hope these tools really help you create effective instructions. We have some canvases for you to download that can help you in the process, and you can watch some other videos that we have available to help you here.